Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Galatia Strong. I'm a physical therapist who got 100% on my NPTE, and this led me to found SPT with me, which is an NPTE prep platform. If you enjoy what you see and you're studying for the NPTE, check out our courses at sptwithme.com. Now for what you're actually here for, let's talk about TherapyEd and Scorebuilders and which one might be more appropriate for you when studying for the NPTE. There are so many different NPTE prep resources to choose from. NPTE prep courses, textbooks, these are normally the go-to options. Now, if you're looking for a textbook, two of the most popular resources are TherapyEd and Scorebuilders. So in this video, we're going to talk about comparing the two and helping you decide which one aligns more with your learning style and goals. TherapyEd, let's start off with this one. So TherapyEd really dives deep into content, and it definitely provides a lot of detailed explanations and extensive information beyond what is strictly necessary for the NPTE. It's really text heavy, meaning that there are not very many visuals such as charts or diagrams. Now, if you're someone who really feels like they thrive on reading and they like to ask the questions of why and how, this is the book for you. It's really thorough, and this kind of tells you that you really don't need to look elsewhere aside from this book for any explanations. Everything that you need is going to be in this book. Next, we have Score Builders. So this book really focuses on just what you need to know without additional details that TherapyEd would have. So it definitely makes it a little bit easier to digest. There are a lot of diagrams and charts and tables, so it definitely caters to visual learners who like very straightforward and structured material. So if you like concise without the extra fluff, this is a great option for you. So the ultimate question is, which one is the right NPTE textbook for you? So just understand that both books, they're going to get the job done. It is really just up to you to identify what kind of learner you are. So for TherapyEd, like I mentioned, it's a very deeply detailed, thorough textbook. It does not have a lot of visuals. So if you're someone who loves visuals and you can't just read for days, this might not be the best option for you. You might go towards Score Builders. However, for this one, you also have to understand that if you do like asking why and how, it's not going to go into depth about that. So you're probably going to have to go on your computer, go back to your lectures, or look up things online. So just consider if you're a visual learner or if you can imagine diagrams and images in your head. So I just want to add a final thought. Choose one textbook and stick to it to avoid confusing yourself. Both textbooks provide slightly different information due to research updates and things like that. But either way, they're going to give you the essential knowledge of what you need to know for the NPTE. I bought both. However, I only used one. I read one and I used the other one for their practice exam. So it's good to have both, but just make sure that if you're really studying for information and reading the material, just use one of them.